People need to be compassionate. Like, you can't see my injury, but I can sure as hell feel it. And it's not fair. It's like, are you putting it on? No, I'm not putting it on. Like, I didn't ask to have this happen to me. I didn't want surgery, but I had to have it to get some normal life happening. My life before my injury was very active. We do a lot of four-wheel driving, we do a lot of camping, a lot of walking and bike riding as a family and as my partner and I. I'm a department manager and I've put stock away, do rosters and, you know, everyday stuff that you've got to do as a department manager. So I also remember from what happened is that she wanted a towel rail. So we got a towel rail down, wasn't the one that she wanted after we opened the box up, put it back up there, and then another one had fallen and I had my back to the shelf and it just come down from about 1.5 meters. It's not even a kilo, and hit me in the back of the leg. And I'm like, what just happened? And they're like, oh, that box just hit you in the back of the leg. And I went, oh my God. And instantly it was just like 3 times the size. I busted my calf muscle halfway, like up and down. I tore the 2 muscles apart. So it was 11.5 centimetre tear with a massive big hematoma in there. My Achilles tendon from the top snapped, was hanging on by a thread, but it snapped 4 centimetres. My lowest point would have to have been since September when my surgeon said I need surgery now to try and relieve the muscle. Then it's been a shit fight with the insurance company, with them not agreeing to surgery. Like, I've got a dumb leg and stuff, and here's people behind a desk that don't know me from a bar of soap telling me, no, you're not having the surgery, your life's this now, but you want me to go back to work. So, and that hit me hard. I was scared to go to the lawyers for the simple fact I thought like I'm doing wrong by my company. So it was a big step for me to actually admit to myself that I can't do this on my own anymore. So I reached out to law partners. I did a Google search on workers' comp lawyers, and the first thing that popped up was law partners. And I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. So then we went and I made the phone call and stuff, and then we went and had our initial consultation. I felt sick that this is what I'm doing, but it was the best decision I ever made. It was an easy process, that they ring you every week or two and give you updates. Sometimes I was getting phone calls 2 or 3 times a week. And it's just lovely to know that there is people out there that actually care that I'm injured. And that's what Law Partners is about. They care. At the moment, I'm just concentrating on physio and strengthening the leg and getting it back to some normal, and being able to go for walks with my family. My stepdaughter's getting married next year, so I want to dance at her wedding. That's me. So I don't want to be the one sitting there bopping in my seat. I want to be up there with her dancing.